So we've cut our nosing tread, we need to cut the secondary tread. Now that we know that the nosing tread sits in its correct place, obviously our secondary tread is also too long and also it's too deep probably. It will do up to 290 mils, so it's a massive tread. So your tread will maximum be 245. So this is it's way too much. So we need to cut it to depth and width. Same principle as we did on the tread. Cut it with a knife, chop saw, skill saw, however you want to do it. The important part is you're cutting the secondary tread to depth. It's too deep. So make sure you get your measurement right on the face. Don't work on the back of the cutout. Make sure you're doing on the face edge to get your measurements. It doesn't have to be that accurate. You've got a 4mm riser piece going on. So you want to leave a 1mm, 2mm gap anyway. Ease to get it in. So that's your next step.